Welcome na naman mga kanumero. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe para mas marami pa tayong matulungan sa pag-aaral ng math. So, ang topic natin sa video na ito ay solving equations. In this particular topic, we will use those equation which we call the one-step equation. So, itong mga equation na ito ay mga equation na masosolve natin in just only one step. So para mas maintindihan natin, I have here few examples so we can practice and familiarize on solving these equations. So sa unang example natin, I have here x minus 4 equals 1. So kung papansinin natin, itong equation na to, meron siyang dalawang side. Itong nasa left which contains yung variable natin na x, then yung right side separated by the equal sign. So, how are we going to solve this equation? First, kailangan natin i-isolate yung variable natin na x sa mga kasama niya, which is yung minus 4. To do that, kailangan natin maglagay ng inverse operation para i-cancel out natin si minus 4. So, ilalagay ko dito is plus 4. But remember, para mabalance natin yung equation, kailangan din natin maglagay on the other side. So, x minus 4 equals 1. So, plus 4 and then plus 4 din sa kabila. So, by doing that, yung minus 4 and plus 4 will equal to 0. Then, 1. Plus 4 will be equal to 5. Which will give to us x equals 5. Now mga kanumero, we can also check yung value na nakuha natin by substitution. So take the original equation and ilagay natin si 5. So we'll have 5 minus 4 equals 1. So 5 minus 4 equals 1 and then 1. So therefore our answer is correct by checking it. So, ganun lang mga kanumero. We'll go on the other example. So, we have here 3 equals x plus 2. So, almost the same lang ang gagawin natin dito sa second example natin. So, first, isolate natin yung variable na x by introducing inverse operation sa equation natin. So, maglagay tayo ng minus 2 on both sides. So, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then, cancel out natin yung 2. So, we'll have 1 equals x. So, itry ulit natin, i-check yung sagot natin. Take ulit natin yung original equation, which is 3 equals x plus 2. Substitute natin yung sagot natin, which is 1. So, we'll have 3 equals 1 plus 2. So, 3 is equals to 3. So, therefore, our answer here is correct. So, another example natin mga kanumero is here. We have 6n equals 12. So, pansinin natin yung side na may variable. So, dito, wala tayong nakikita na plus or minus na operation. What we have here is multiplication. So, take note mga kanumero, ang inverse operation ng multiplication is division. So, having said that, ang gagawin natin dito, to isolate yung variable natin na n is divided by 6. Then, syempre, on both sides. So, we have 6n over 6 equals 12 over 6. So, your 6 here will be cancelled out. So, your n will be equal to 2. So, try natin i-check mga kanumero if our answer is correct. So, take the original equation, which is 6n equals 12. Substitute natin ulit yung nakuha natin na sagot, which is 2. So, we'll have 6 equals 6. Therefore, tama ulit yung nakuha natin na sagot. Next example natin mga kanumero is y over 9 equals 3. So this time mga kanumero, kung papansinin natin, yung right side na equation is meron siyang division na operation involving yung variable natin na y. So to isolate, introduce ulit natin yung inverse operation ng division, which is yung multiplication. So to cancel out yung 9, kailangan natin mag-multiply ng 9 on both sides. So we'll have now y equals 27. So to check mga kanumero, let's have again the original equation, then substitute natin yung 27. So 27 over 9 equals 3, or 3 is equal to 3. So therefore, tama yung nakuha nating sagot. So, thank you mga kanumero sa panonood. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Please like and subscribe para sa mga susunod pa na math videos.